through the dance, you are the devil you know. Starting off with your right foot. Section 1. You're going to do a heel grind, a quarter to your right. Heel grind, you're going to step your left foot out, right foot behind, left foot to left side. Step forward on right foot, do a half turn to your left, recovering weight onto your left foot, and step right foot forward. Then you're going to step your left foot forward, then your right foot to right side, left foot to left side. Then you're going to step your ball of your right foot next to left foot and cross left foot over right foot. Section 2. Slide right foot to right side. Step left foot behind, step right to right side, step left to left side. You're going to cross right foot over left foot, step left foot behind, cross right foot over left foot. Step left foot to left side. Then you're going to do a quarter turn to your right, stepping back on right foot. Step left foot next to right foot, and step and rock forward on your right foot, and recover weight onto your left foot. Section 3. Walk forward on right foot, walk forward on left foot. Step right foot back, lock left foot in front, step right foot back while sweeping left foot front to back. Then you're going to step left foot behind, right foot next to left foot, and cross left foot over right foot. You're going to do a half turn to your right, then you're going to do a half turn to your left. Section 4. Do a half turn to your left, stepping back on right foot while sweeping left foot front to back. Step left foot behind, right foot next to left, and cross left foot over right foot. Step right foot to right side, step left foot next to right, and cross right foot over left. Step left foot to left side, cross, rock your right foot over left, recover weight onto your left foot, diagonally back, you're going to rock your right foot, then recover weight onto your left foot. Section 5. Cross right foot over left foot, point left foot to left side, cross left foot over right foot, point right foot to right side. Step right foot behind while sweeping left front to back. Step your left foot behind, sweeping right foot front to back. Then you're going to rock on your right foot back. Then you're going to pop your left knee out and recover weight onto your left foot. Section 6. You're going to do a quarter turn to your left, stepping right foot to the right side. Then you're going to step left foot next to right foot. Going to do a quarter turn to your left, stepping right foot back. Then you're going to rock back on left foot while you pop your right knee out and recover weight back onto your right foot. Then you're going to do a quarter turn to your right, stepping left foot to left side, right foot next to left, quarter turn to your right, stepping left foot back. You're going to rock back on your right foot, pop your left knee out, and then recover weight back onto your left foot. And then you start again. There are 2 tags in after wall 1 and wall 3. The tag is step forward on your right, make a half turn to your left, step forward on your right, make a half turn to your left. This dance has one restart on wall 5 after 32 counts. You're facing 6 o'clock. So you've just done the half turn, sweeping, behind, side, cross. Then you do the scissor cross, step, cross, rock, back, rock, restart. Hi, then I'm going to go through the dance a bit faster. heel grind, leave, rock, turn, forward, forward, out, out, ball, cross, slide, sailor step, cross shuffle, step, walker coaster, rock, recover, walk, walk, anchor, step, sweep, behind, side, cross, unwind, rewind, half turn, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, scissor, cross, side, cross, rock, back, rock, cross, point, cross, point, behind sweep, rock, recover, half shuffle back, rock, recover, half shuffle back, rock, recover. Then the tap, forward, turn half, forward, turn half. Then I'm going to go through the dance with the counts. Right foot. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then the tag, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you enjoy.